Hey guys, we back again with no video. We are here today in the shop like normally we are all the time, and I just want to tell you guys that we actually didn't finish the car for Honda Day. You guys saw I didn't post any videos, but it's gonna get built on it anytime soon. But anyways, this video is gonna be me getting my car, take it apart so I can get it nice and clean and everything. You know, I'm trying to do the engine bay on it, and I haven't told you guys what car I just got, but so here is, I already go ahead and take a little bit of the stuff already. Like it's already took it apart. So this is 2003 Type S model Acura Rsx, and it's not in the best condition. The only rust spot is in this quarter panel, and more in this one, but on the other side is a little bit less. But I got someone who's gonna fix that for me. And the interior is not good condition, you know, got ripped seats and all that, but I might just swap it out with another stock one. I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna put the GoPro to record me and get all this stuff, take it apart, and I'm planning to take the whole subframe off and the rack off, everything that I can take off, so I can clean it out and get it painted today. So that's the deal. And while I'm doing that, he's working on these customer car. There's like 9 p.m. already, but we still got to do that, and so we can go home. And we take the whole day to clean the whole shop. That's like you guys can see everything. And here's my setup, you know. Like I said, it is a K24, full K24 that I get for the junkyard. A manifold, turbo manifold, and the turbo, and I already got the tranny that is back there. And yeah, I mean, I already got the clutch, like I say, and all that stuff. So let's get back to work. Look how I bring it. So the car didn't have none of these on, not even this one. Well, this one has it, but like missing both of the frame. So this is the getaway we did it. So you know they won't come up entirely. So yeah, I'm about to take it out like I did the other one. So yeah. We already got into the point that he's about to spray the engine bay, and see how he can do it. So we get to the point right now that the engine bay is finally done. It's clear coat on it twice, and she came out really nice and clean, you know. The paint is blue SI from 2008 model, so you guys can figure it out. But yeah, it was not bad, you know. It took like 45 minutes to clean the whole engine bay out, sand it down a little bit, you know. Didn't need a lot, but she came out really nice.